Hi there, just come to install a new EPOS system for Suttons Bowls Club in Reading. Putting in a Loyverse system on a store kit and yeah, do some training with them and see how it goes.
Training, that's it, and he kills you.
Yeah, we put some change in there.
Oh well, there you go.
So just done an install. So just here we've got the Loyverse point of sale on an iPad connected to an MC3 printer, and we've got the cash drawer in situ as well. So they've just moved from this old thing to this new thing here, and we've just done a load of training with the staff. The average age is slightly more mature, shall we say, so be a little bit of patience with them, but it's pretty easy. They've all got it. They're all going to help each other as well, and I'm there to act as a support should they need any assistance remotely. It's a lovely little club, actually. Says it's going to really help them in regards to when they have visiting clubs over on the bowling green, because they can run tabs against any payments, because Loyverse allows you to do tabs. Also, the accountant now has back office access, so be able to log in. There's no more receipts to give them. They can create all of their reports online, and it should save a hell of a lot of time and effort in seeing where they are with all of their products, their profit margins, the cash and card take on the till as well. So we're using cash management, so when they come in the morning and they do shift start, they can put the amount of money in the till, and at the end of the day they can close the shift, and then hopefully the money matches up, so that works out nicely for them as well. So there's loads of little features that they probably haven't used previously, because they haven't had the technology to be able to do that. But hopefully it's going to make a big difference to the management team, and it's a pretty simple installation really. So yeah, all works really well, all tested, happy customer.
All right, okay. Watch this. All right.